better. Up here there's no rocks up here. They've got a big pile of water right near them. They've got a big water tank.
Maybe they don't like it.
Probably.
There's a dog playing over there.
Only means people nearby.
I've got to get a new coat. This coat is not waterproof.
But this one's waterproof.
This one is not. It's supposed to be waterproof.
We had that
Probably
for
was
donkey
15
years.
years ago.
This is only maybe 7 months old.
Yeah, well this one's nearly 15 years old, so I really need to get a new coat. Because this is not waterproof, because I'm beginning to feel it through my arms, which is not very nice.
But leather jackets too tend to absorb water over
The
time.
weather. Let's improve for a bit, please. I'd appreciate it. That's a youngster. One of last year's, I suspect, very late. What are you doing? One. But I want to go through the fence. Oh, it's sucking. You're not a wind sucker. Out in the fence, out in the fields. You shouldn't be wind sucking out in the fields. Draft horse. Just goes to show that they can pick up those sorts of habits anywhere, even when they're not stuck in stables. That one is obviously one that suffers from boredom. Oh, that's a bit better, isn't it? It's not so bad now.
I really wish I had my gloves.
I can't believe you didn't.
I couldn't find them.
Oh, I'd offer you mine, but I think my hands would fall off. If I hadn't got to hold on to sticks and I could put them in pockets, I would totally give them to you.
Yeah, but you got smaller hands than me.
I could do anything. There's loads of room in these things. They weren't bought for me. They're huge. Mind you, I probably want to swap coats. My left arm is quite damp.
I would not want to swap clothes out because I don't want to get cold.
My left arm is definitely damp.
I could buy you one of the jackets
Especially
like
at
this.
the elbow. I don't want a jacket like that.
Why not?
Because I don't. It's not me.
You might find it useful in winter. It's
I
quite
just
warm.
want a waterproof coat.
This is waterproof.
Preferably pink.
Get a pink leather one.
Pink.
Yeah, get a pink one of these.
And then put them back over here a little.
Mostly stopped now.
This is mostly stopped, yes. Because it's so flat, I feel like I could keep walking for quite some time.
Well, in places it's flat. There's a bit of tree
Doggies.
and some more people.
And clearly they're warm enough because they've even got the front of their coat open.
They got chasing after dogs. That's usually not
Yeah.
surprising.
To warm you up now in. Mind you, I used to do walks that would last for hours, and I would get quite warm doing so, as you can imagine. So
Kind of.
sometimes even the cooling, damp rain can be quite pleasant like that. Lots of hoof prints, but I don't see any ponies so far. Not in this section anyway.
My hands have gone really cold from that.
Put them in your pocket,
My hands don't really help that much. I can't put the other one in my pocket.
because you're holding your phone.
I'm doing a video.
I assume it's going to be a silent video, is it?
Well, it's one of those venture videos I haven't done for a while.
Okay, so you're probably not going to want to listen to us talking, though.
Yeah, but I can edit those bits out.
Yeah, of course. Because nobody needs to listen to our inane banter. It's not even banter, is it? Just chatting. Chatting about stuff that doesn't matter in the whole scheme of things. Oh, it's quite wet again. It didn't make the world look white for a bit, did it?
Yeah, it's not like 7 months, a month ago.
No. Oh dear.
This is really spongy.
Oh, it is. I thought we kept up this bit, it wasn't so bad, but I suppose we're not that far up the level of the lake, are we?
Yeah.
I wonder
What?
just how far around you have to go and then you've got to walk round. I wonder if you can actually walk round.
Don't
Or
know.
you can't do that. Have a look. Why not? Very
My
wet dog. I like the rain. What you doing?
That dog.
Curiosity, eh?
Yeah, dogs do that.
Yeah, that's doggies for you. They are curious beasts. I don't know whether it's possible to walk from here. It is, that would be quite cool.
It is.
Because we're right near the end of the lake.
The
aren't
gate's
we?
there.
Hey?
The gate's there.
I know, but you can get through the gate.
Yeah, because it takes you on that other path where people are parked.
I don't know whether you can actually get right round.
I
Or
don't know.
not. No, I've never done it. How far up here have you walked?
I haven't really walked any past that certain point back there.
Oh. Okay. Guess this is a new adventure to us both. I shall feel like I've earned a little snack when I get home.
I could do with lunch.
Yeah, that was nibbling before we came out anyway.
Yeah, I didn't.
Oh, dear.
I don't want to make it too long because I will run out of energy to do the housework.
I know. Doesn't going to try and kill you or anything. Not that mean. I would like to know where this path actually takes you. Because you can go all the way around and it wouldn't take much longer to go on either side. Being that the lake is fairly oval.
Oval.
Well, it's not actually, is it? It's a straightish side, so not a big diversion. Alright, how muddy is it?
Muddy as it can be.
I hope not. I have to put these back through the wash again. That'd be annoying.
I bet you're wishing you thought that through for today.
Well, I should have changed my shoes. That's my fault. I should have changed them, and I didn't. But like I said, it's not like they can't go back through.
I'm going to have to get a new pair of shoes at some point this year anyway.
Why is that?
These ones are falling apart.
Oh, and not just a case of needing washing.
No.
I thought your red ones that were in fairly good condition could just be washed, and then they wouldn't smell anymore.
They're falling apart as well.
Oh, we've got an option. Look. Does that one take you up onto the road, do you think?
That one, Joe, still looks like it takes you through the woods.
It takes you around the next to the edge of it. Around. You'll probably end up going back round to where we started from.
Probably. And that one probably takes you to where those people are parked where we came past.
I'm just wondering if this one might be a bit too muddy, you see, because of how high the lake is.
I think that's going to be muddy as well because it's been right near the trees.
Maybe.
And it's only get much daylight over there.
Leave these paths until a drier time.
I think most of them are going to be the same. I mean,
Oh my.
it's January still.
Yeah, that's a bit much, I think. Darn it.
What makes you think the other one's going to be like?
Let's have a look at this one.
Because there is some sort of water spout there.
Well, the water levels are so high, aren't they? I wonder where this one comes out.
I've got a fair idea.
Really?
Probably. I think both of these look too muddy.
They do look rather muddy, don't they?
So you've got
It's
water
all right
over
up there, just up there, it's fine. It's just this first bit. That's irritating.
Yeah, but you have to get up there to get
Yeah, I
there.
know. Bum. We're going to have to give up on that one today. Darn it.
It's something to do in the summertime when
Well,
it's
I was
warmer.
getting to my stride as well. Oh well. Let's go back through the trees. If it's passable. Not sure if it is, but have a look. I would have been interested to see where it goes.